We start the birthday list off with Bo Castle, who evidently caught a catfish that's as big as him. That is not a joke. And this is I'm reporting this exclusively from the Skywatch Weather Center. Bo caught that himself.
So if we in.
Yeah, Will, if you can get
those
that
little
on the bottom line
arms
for me. That Bo Castle caught that fish right there at 3 years old.
He doesn't seem too happy about sitting on it.
That is not true. That is not true. Somebody told him that look right there, the dude off to his left was like, I caught one that size last year. And Bo's like, all right, you want to step to this? Let's roll.
No, here's the story. Here's the actual story. He is thoroughly enjoying sitting on there. The man with the arm there is telling him to get off of it. It's time to get off. And he doesn't want to get off.
No, because it's Bo's fish, man.
Yeah.
Good catch, Bo.
Keep on fishing.
I'm with you, dude.
All right.
And happy birthday in Chautauqua.
And a happy birthday.
That may be Papa John's arm. That may be
Possibly.
Papa John's arm right there. Because it comes with love from Papa John and Grandma Deb.
Yeah. Well, Kale Wixon is 7 strong this year. Kale's celebrating in Baxter Springs. And if Kale is celebrating, that means his twin sister Kennedy is also 7 strong. Love it, love it. Both of them in Baxter Springs.
I like the fact we got them both in ball uniforms. That's awesome. Sophia Elmore celebrating the big number 8. And this happens to be one of our extended family here, as Sophia is the granddaughter of our own Rhonda Zook. And Sophia is telling our sales department now, I'm ready for my next commercial.
That's right.
I love that.
She's a little star.
Happy birthday, Miss Sophia.
All right, and Heaven Miller celebrating a birthday over the weekend in Columbus, turning 8 years old. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful 8th birthday year.
Oh, look at this. Harlow Arnold celebrating the big number 9. Beautiful, beautiful sunny skies out there, Miss Harlow. And a happy birthday to you as she turns 9 in Pittsburgh.
That's a pretty name.
Look at that. I love the 9 on the fingers too. That's good.
Hey, it's time for B to celebrate. Braelyn Barber turning 10 years old this year. He got some beach time recently in Pittsburgh. Hope you have a wonderful birthday.
He's trying to reenact that scene I was telling you about from Jaws where they buried the cast member. Braelyn's got it. Yeah, he's got it down. He knows. Tiffany Huddle celebrating the 33rd birthday. What a gorgeous picture right there. And happy birthday, Miss Tiffany. She is in Columbus.
Right, in Iola, Kansas, Clay Abbott celebrating birthday number 34 this year.
All right, in the NAC, we're going to start with Mike Evans. Hey, what's up, Mike? Mike is celebrating his 49th birthday. That's a good dude right there. And this is pretty cool. It's a busy weekend in the Evans household because Zach turns 22, and Zach happens to be Mike's nephew. So to Uncle Mike and Zach, happy birthdays to both of you.
All right. And let's see, we've got Gary Sandberg, turning 59 years old in Columbus. Was born on Father's Day. And pictured there with his grandson, Luke.
Very nice. Florence Sparks is turning 93. Miss Florence, a very happy birthday to you and a beautiful picture. And Florence, I want you to know, birthday wishes coming with love from the kids, the grandkids, and of course, your great-grandkids as well. Miss Florence is in Lockwood.
And celebrating their first anniversary this year, Dylan and Lindsey Meisner. Happy anniversary. Cool picture there.
Oh, Lindsey's got to be loving life right now with the way Oklahoma's playing at the College World Series. She's probably on cloud 9. Jason and Nina Yackel, they are celebrating their 28th university. Congratulations to Jason and Nina. They celebrate in Fort Scott.
Aww. And Phil and Susan Thompson are celebrating their 40th anniversary. They're in Walker, Missouri. Congratulations to the Thompsons.
And we've got a 42nd anniversary in Lamar, and we're going to turn back the clock 42 years ago to the wedding picture of Brad and Rhonda Overstreet. What a marvelous picture that is right there. What a beautiful dress Rhonda has. Well, Brad had to turn down the aisle when Rhonda was walking down and be like, wow, That's a great picture right there. Congratulations to the Overstreets in Lamar.
I'm just noticing Brad's awesome hair. He's got some locks going there.
Yes, he does. Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. All right, in Columbus, Scott Sullivan, happy birthday to you. Christy Murdoch turning double nickels today in Parsons. And Kathy Layson celebrating a birthday in Columbus.
You're my Wonderwall, number 12. Oasis Wade, a very happy birthday to you in Columbus. Sally Umpenauer celebrating a birthday in Riverton. And our good friend Kenny Krumsick. Kenny, a happy birthday to you. We'll be back with more KOAM Morning News right after this.